third graders. Today we're going to do a lesson on multiplication, but you guys already know multiplication because we've worked on it in the past, but today we're going to do something new. We're going to work on our 6 times tables. So just a real quick review, who can tell me what is the divide symbol? I mean the multiplication symbol.
The X.
Purple. Purple one? Yep, good job. So to multiply, all you do is it's kind of like a shortcut for addition. So you can take the groups and it's like repeat addition. So instead of doing like 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6, I can just do 2 times 3 and that equals 6. So I know we've done examples in the past with like skills, or we've talked about like our pets and done multiplication like that instead. But like I said, today we're going to work on our 6 times tables to do something different. And so that is this one right here. And it goes down. So it goes 6, 12, 18, 24, and then it continues. But I know that's a lot to remember, and it's a little bit harder than some of the easier ones you've done, like 2 or 5s where you can use your fingers. So there's a little song on YouTube that we're going to sing along with to help us remember, and that way when you're doing your homework and stuff, you can think back in the song, because it has a song, it goes like the rhythm of a song that y'all might know from hearing it on the radio. So you can remember next time y'all hear it. So I'm going to pull out, and we're going to watch it, and then we're going to break it down and sing it a little bit as a class. And this is not it.
Can you change?
Yeah.
When you use multiplication and count by 6, don't get confused and lose your patience. No, see those 6s can be tricky, but if you just sing it with me, you'll be counting up to 60. Know your 6s in a jiffy. They say, come on, try it, sing it, don't be quiet. Wanna hear it from the highest top of mountains to the sky. They're saying, ooh, I think that I found a way to count by 6. 12, 18, 24, 30, and 36. 4, 2, 40, and 54, and then 60. Get up out of your seat and sing it with me. 6 times 2, you just double. You get to 12, and 6 times 3, it's no trouble. 18. 6 times 4, count one more. 6, 12, 18, 24. 6 times 5, you gotta try. You get that 3. Oh my, they say, come on, try it. Sing it, don't be quiet. Wanna hear it from the highest top of mountains to the sky. They're saying, ooh, I think that I found a way to count by 6. 12, 18, 24, 30, and 36. 4, 2, 40, and 54, and then 60. Get up out of your seat and sing it with me. So if you try 6 times 6, well, the answer's 36. Did I mention 6 times 7 gets you 42? And next is 8 times 6 gets you 48. And if you try to multiply that 6 and 9 and 5, where's what you're gonna find? Ooh, I think that I found a way to count by 6. 12, 18, 24, 30, and 36. 4, 2, 40, and 54, and then 60. Get up out of your seat and sing it with me.
Okay. So who can tell me the song, like the pop version song of that? Anyone recognize it?
Cheerleader.
Yeah, so that's a fun little song, but instead of talking about cheerleaders, talking about our 6 times tables. This is pretty exciting. So last night I was printing this, and then my printer died, so there's only 3 pieces of paper, so I'm real sorry. I'll just have to like look on with a buddy, and I'll pull it up on the screen.
Oh, yeah, we can use document to read it.
Yeah, I'll pull it up on here. It's kind of
Yeah.
Oh, there's a document here?
Yes.
Sure thing. Okay. Okay, cool. copy it all onto the sheet. So
This better?
yeah. So okay. So we're gonna start down here. Right at this level. This works? No, it's fine. Okay, well we're gonna start there. So if y'all have a sheet, y'all can look on there. Or up here, we'll start up there. So it starts, oh, I think that I found. And then, so I'll sing it and then I'll let y'all go. So, oh, I think that I found a way to count 5, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and 36, 42, 48, 54, and then 60. Okay, so now I'm gonna sing and then I want y'all to sing. So, oh, I think that I found a.
Oh, I think that I found a
way to count by 6.
a way to count by 6.
12, 18, 24, 30, and 36.
12, 18, 24, 30, and 36.
42, 48, 54, and then 60.
42, 48, 54, and then 60.
Okay, and we won't do that next part. Okay, so then I'll sing all of it, and then I want all y'all to sing it back. So I just felt like we could do this because that focuses on like the numbers. Like the words are cool to sing along with the song, but we're really trying to learn the math behind this. So I'll sing it and then I want y'all to do it. Oh, I think that I found a way to count by 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and 36, 42, 48, 54, and then 60.
Oh, I think that I found a way to count by 6. 12, 18, 24, 30, and 36, 42, 48, 54, and then 60.
Okay, so now that we've worked a little bit on our 6s, I want y'all to turn over your paper if you have one or not. We're gonna look at this little worksheet. So basically this is just kind of like a review of what we've done. Obviously we've worked with like multiplication a lot, so y'all already know it. But just looking at the 6s today, I want y'all to go home and do this if you don't finish it today in class. But so for the first question, you guys should just remember the song, and if you need help, I'll play it again so that we can sing along. But there's a word bank down here to help y'all, so just fill in the blanks where you think, fill in the word from the blank, the word, blank, word, whatever, and where the song goes. And then number 2, what is 6 times 4? Does anyone remember?
24.
Good job. Okay. And then what is 6 times 8?
48.
Okay. And then for 4, it's kind of tricky, so it's a 2-part. First, you have to figure out what 6 times 10 is, and then you have to figure out if that answer is an odd or an even number. So first, can anyone tell me what 6 times 10 is?
60.
And then is that an odd or an even number?
Even.
Good job. How do you know it's even?
Because it's a 0.
Yeah, good job. And then when did we use multiplication outside of math class?
With money.
Yep. Well, if you're like counting up coins, you think, or when would you use it with money?
You know, just coins and bills and whatnot.
Like four packs of chips at $2 each.
There you go. That's a good one.
Or 4 quarters to make $1.
Yeah. So that's our 6 times tables. So every time that you're using your 6s, just try to remember the song. Super catchy, and y'all will remember.